Like, if I could get you up on this, Nino, you'd literally be insane. We shoot him.
Oh,
Where?
I don't know, if you get shot at on the armed Jeep, like, be 100% confident, but you can...
Dude, that armed Jeep is sexy as hell, dude.
Where are they shooting you guys?
I just took a shot. I'm at the,
I'm gonna get a water 1 sec.
Damn, that motherfucker's trolling hard right now.
Honestly, let's just get people in all the towers around, except for people that are gonna.
Can somebody get in the driver's seat of this Jeep that I'm in?
This one?
And pull me back a little bit. No, the other one in front of or left of the.
Oh, this might be it right here, Nino.
Oh, here. Are you talking about this one, bro?
No, right beside the medic.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, what the hell?
You can't drive over it.
Oh, I thought someone's in there. The fuck? Alright, where you want to go, bro?
Just go back. Go back a little bit more. Wait, if he's coming in, let me see how far he is. Okay, stop right here. Stop.
Alright, we got it.
Blast him up. What the fuck is this medic doing?
You medic?
You wanna like move? Alright, pull the Jeep back a little bit.
What is this Mike doing? I'm gonna ask him to leave because he's not really doing anything.
Oh. Alright, hold up. Alright.
They're waiting until server restarts. Somebody's down.
You get them in the pillboxes, each of them separately, so that you can start processing as soon as 5 minutes hits.
We can do it in there too. It doesn't matter.
Well, I mean, it's going
Needs
to
to
be
be a
more
room with a
raids.
single entrance.
He's coming in. Coming in for another piping.
What? Goddamn, bro.
I can't even look up though.
No, I can't. I'm
He
fucking...
doesn't even come pass by. He's trying to distract us.
I mean, he's clearly not a threat. He hasn't hit a single shot, so I think somebody should call
I think
us.
we can deem it not a threat and please
Yeah.
process them in
We're just
pillboxes.
gonna... as long as they're shooting, like, it's too edgy.
Someone come get him in the big room.
It's
Another plane.
Where?
On laser. Wait, how do you know if we're engaged with that? What the fuck are you doing, brother? Jesus Christ!
They're just shooting, man.
Yo, we see a plane.
It's warning shots, I swear, man.
Is this the AAF? We're just engaging with all aerial vehicles at this time.
Oh, fuck.
We don't even know what plane that is.
Can we stop before everyone loses PO?
That looks like a very expensive, not
There
anything to
we
do with
go.
us, please.
Shoot at him if you can. Shoot
Fucking
fucking bust
spray
his
at that
ass.
shit, dude.
Yeah, 8 destruction.
Like, Nino, I
Another one coming from that other direction. Lining up on us right now.
On laser. Where's the other one from?
Fade airborne.
Airport place like a bitch. Okay.
God, y'all got some potato aim.
You mean, dude?
What do you mean?
Where are your shots going, dude?
Bro, I'm not even on the armed Jeep, my guy, because I know it's a waste of time.
Yo, get that Nino, it's straight in front of us.
So why are you talking shit?
Yeah, that's
Guys, calm, guys, calm.
He's jelly, bro. You want to go and play?
Yeah, he wants to be on the band.
Hey, do me a favor.
Bet on my one right now, bet.
Yo, actually, Nino, like, save your ammo, dude. We're about to pull the, like, the play of the year, okay?
Alright.
fucking hell. How many? We need 12 armed Jeeps.
Like, you're actually going to call me a genius when I do this.
Oh.
If you tell me you're gonna spike strip.
Yeah, you're
the
going to
volume,
wave the
kill
spike
him.
strip in the air at them. That's exactly it.
Please fucking sling that thing on behind a fucking...
I'm not slinging. I'm going to set it up on a nature area. That'll make you guys need more ammo, too.
Get him, bro.
Alright, back on. Get a shower.
Shower, dude.
big ring.
How do you control?
Dude, I was thinking about taking these out and walking up the stairs, so I'm just already on my mind.
How the fuck is he not smoking? Hello?